Hello all, and welcome back to another Extension Cares. I am Tristan Cope, the K-State Research and Extension Agent in Marion County. And today, we're going to learn a little bit about container gardening. So for container gardening, you first want to make sure it's the appropriate way to garden for you. Container gardening is great because you get to have the ability to move your container into different places and have plants growing in a location they may not otherwise grow. The first thing you're going to need for your container gardening would be a container. So this container will need to have different holes placed into the bottom of your container. You're able to use a drill, hammer, and a nail, however you might be able to make holes exposed in order to have the plants drain. The next item you will need for your container garden would be some rocks. You want to have rocks fill up the bottom of your container in order to have proper drainage when your plants are starting to grow. Next, you're going to add in some soil. The soil you can use here can be some potting mix. You just want to make sure that you have a healthy amount of soil to fill up your container about 3/4 the way full. When you have in your soil, make sure you start to mix it up, especially if you are using soil left over from the previous year. I like to use a small shovel to mix this up, or you can even use some of your own garden tools or of course your hands to make sure you have it nice and mixed. Next, you're going to add in your plants. So you can choose your plants from a variety of locations. This could be your local nursery, it could be your hardware store, it could be anywhere that's selling the plants that you would like to use for your family. Please check out our K-State Research and Extension publication for Kansas gardening to see what grows best when paired together. In this image, I am planting some beans in a circular pattern around. I will also be planting some tomatoes coming up later in our video. You want to make sure that you have your plants broken apart in order to secure them in your potting soil. This means gently breaking up the root system in order to place it inside of the hole that you are digging in your container garden. This is a great way to make sure your roots spread out and to help secure the plant into the soil. I hope you had a great time watching how I made my container garden, and if you have any questions, please feel free to contact our office at tcope@ksu.edu. Have a great day!